whole public lands advocacy tour started with the bus project, turning it into a rolling billboard to, spread the word about how important our public land system is. Transitioning into the van, is just a way to continue that message just in a broader way. It allows us to go way further into some public land spots that not a chance you could get into with the bus.
With the school bus, you're always kind of one big snowstorm from a huge disaster.
Yeah.
And with this, you just shift.
Yep.
And we can go do those things.
Yeah. The nice thing about not being rushed into the build is we were able to use the van for 2 months, all fall, to brainstorm ideas, and use it in hunting situations. Be oh, that can fit here, that can fit here.
We didn't really want just a queen mattress back here because we didn't really want to be that snuggly. So we're kind of building a bed scenario where you can have it be 2 single beds.
We're going to put a decked drawer system on the bottom.
Tankless water heater.
Yeah.
Some more storage, like an outdoor shower off the back.
YouTube channel is just Sam Soholt. But yeah, we'll be ripping around this thing for a while.